Hello guys and welcome to my title channel. Today I'll be showing you an unboxing of one machine which you are about to see. It's a wireless P2S wireless pen by EZ. EZ is a brand. So I'll be doing unboxing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe it right now. I will be telling you details about this machine. Since it's very economical and available in the market, you can buy it from Amazon or it's equivalent to good machines. Wireless pen with a lot of charging in it, and once you buy it, you'll not regret it. It's for only under $200 machine. So P2 wireless machine, which has a lot of features. I'll be telling you first. I'll be showing you how it looks from the inside and what the details are in this box. I ordered it and it has arrived. Now we'll be opening. The box contains. Let's see what's inside the box. It's the machine. Okay, it has a good display. You press the power button. The set volt is 85, and you can press it to 86, 87, 89, and it goes to 9, 9.1, 9.2, and it goes more. So it depends on how much you are you do the tattoo on. It has a very good finish to it. The material is super extraordinary, and it has a C-type charging port. I think that's the charging cable for it. You get a free charging cable along with this, and that's it about it in the box. Nothing else is included in the box. So we'll keep this and tell you the details. I think it's a good machine for this much amount. And once you want to, it comes in the red as well. As you can see, it has the red. It's P2S EZ wireless machine. So if you want to buy it, you can buy it from Amazon or any other website, eBay, and it's pretty good if you are like learning tattoo or doing an advanced tattoo. It's pretty good for that.